Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create an introduction to fractions slide deck, because sometimes fractions can feel like you're teaching a magic trick. With this, you can have a visual representation for students, so that way they're understanding fractions using real life shapes. So to create this slide deck, let's go into our Edcafe AI library. We'll create a new slide deck, and then you can add in your instructions. So you can add in a topic of just introduction to fractions. Otherwise, if you have a chapter PDF, you can also add that in. So here we have a PDF of our chapter for introducing fractions. So let's add that in. That way everything is on track with our curriculum. And then we can also add in our additional instructions. So here we want for grade 3, and we want to include real life visuals like the pizza, the blocks, some guided practice slides, along with a quick check-in at the end. So now that we have all of those instructions, let's select our number of slides, along with your output language if you need to update that, and then your theme. Then we can generate our slide deck and take a look at what this looks like. So when this generates, we should have images on our slide, along with content with the images of the pizza and the blocks and those kinds of things as well. So here we can go ahead. We already see that we have pizza and blocks as our slides, a quick introduction to our fractions as well, using those excellent visuals, or you can always change them if they're not the best, using AI, uploading one from your device, or using search. So then you can just go ahead and update that. Once you're looking through, if you do want to add in any additional slides that might not have fit, we can go ahead and do that too. So here we have a quick check, but maybe we want to add in one at the end as well for an exit ticket. We can also go ahead and describe what we want. So let's do a practice for drawing a fraction, along with which fraction is bigger as an exit check. So then we can generate our slides here, and Edcafe will take what we requested and add in those slides. So here we have our draw fraction, and then we have our which fraction is bigger. That way you have those activities to do in class. Give this a try to help create a more visual slide deck for your students to introduce them to fractions.